Hello viewers, today's topic climatic and natural vegetation regions of Africa. Africa can be divided into several climatic regions, each of which has its own special kind of natural vegetation and animal life. So look at the map. First point, equatorial type. Look at the deep green shade area. This type of climate is found in the lowlands on either side of the equator in the Congo Basin, the coastal region around the Gulf of Guinea and coastal Kenya. Annual temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is more than 200 centimeter. There is a daily occurrence of convectional rainfall. It's a one kind of rainfall. It occurs due to intense heat of the land surface. During the day, there is a lot of evaporation due to high temperature. By afternoon, when it starts cooling, the water vapor condenses and falls as rain. Since it pours around 4 o'clock every day, that's why it's known as 4 o'clock rain. Vegetation. The vegetation consists mainly of hardwood broadleaf trees. Although the trees are deciduous, the rainforest has an evergreen appearance. Trees grow to different heights, giving an impression of a tree layer formation. The topmost layer is the emergent layer. The second layer is the canopy layer. The broad irregular crown of these trees form a tight continuous canopy 20 to 30 meter above the ground. The third layer, which receives very little sunlight and is very dark. It has young trees, shrubs, ferns, orchids. These forests are very dense and dark. A wide variety of species occurs together like ebony, mahogany and rosewood. Okay. Wildlife. Gorillas, monkeys, brightly colored birds are found in this region. Reptiles like crocodiles, snakes are found in the floor of the forest. Next type, savanna type or tropical subunit type. Look at the light green shade area. The tropical subhumid type of climate is found in a broad belt on either side of the equatorial region. Summers are hot and rainfall occurs in hot season. Winters are short, warm and dry. Vegetation. These vast grassy plains with tall coarse grasses are called the savanna or tropical grasslands. Several varieties of grass like elephant grass grow here. Wildlife. Herbivorous animals like elephant, deer, zebra and carnivorous animals like lion, leopard are found in large numbers. Next type, hot desert or tropical desert type. Look at the Yellow zone. Climate. Summers are hot and winters are cool in the hot desert regions. The daily as well as annual range of temperature is high. These climatic conditions are found both in the northern and southern hemisphere. In north, it is mainly experienced in the Sahara Desert. Okay, and in the South Central Africa in the Kalahari Desert. Okay. Vegetation. Desert vegetation consists mainly of rough grasses, shrubs, thorny bushes, cactus. These plants have thorny leaves, thick waxy stems, and long thin roots. Wildlife. The largest animal that survives in the desert is the camel. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. Okay. Next type, Mediterranean type. Look at the light pink shade zone. The coastal areas of northwest Africa and a small area in the southwest of South Africa experience the Mediterranean climate. Characteristics. Summers are hot with plentiful sunshine but no rainfall. Winters are mild and wet. Vegetation. The trees have long roots, small waxy leaves, and thick spongy bark, which help them survive in the dry summers. Examples: oak, olive, cork. This type of trees are found. Next type, warm temperate east coast type. Just follow the index. Look at the color variation. This climate is found mainly in the eastern coastal region of South Africa. Summers are usually hot. Rain occurs mostly in summer. Winters are mild. Vegetation. Temperate deciduous trees like oak grow here. Next, temperate grassland type. Look at the violet shade zone. On the high plateau of South Africa, summers are hot with scanty summer rainfall. Winters are cold with little or no rainfall. Vegetation. Short grasses, less coarse and greener than those in the savannas, are found on the open treeless plains of the temperate grasslands called the veldt. So, the veldt means the temperate grasslands found in the South African plateau. The last type, monsoon type. Look at the index. Climate. Some parts of East Africa and the island of Madagascar experience monsoon type of climate. Summers are hot and wet and winters are cold and dry. Rainfall varies from year to year. Vegetation. Natural vegetation also varies according to the amount of rainfall. Areas of heavy rainfall have dense forest of tropical deciduous like teak, bamboo, and the areas of scanty rainfall have dry forest and shrubs. Okay. So all of you go through the topic with the help of Africa map. Thank you. Have a good day.